In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a product not showing on Shopify. If you've ever found yourself wondering why a newly added or existing product isn't displaying on your Shopify store, you're in the right place. Follow along as we walk through a few straightforward steps to ensure your products appear as expected. First, let's navigate to your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, head over to the Products section. This section is your main hub for managing all items you're selling on Shopify, so getting familiar with it is essential. Here you'll find a list of all your products. Find and select the product that's not currently showing up on your store. This will open up the details page for that specific item. On the product details page, take a close look at the product status. The first thing to verify is that your product status is set to active. Sometimes, without realizing, a product might be left in draft mode, which means it's not visible to customers on the front end. If you find that your product is labeled as draft, you can easily switch it to active by clicking the respective button. This ensures that your product is live and ready for purchase. Once you've confirmed the product status, the next step is to check your publishing settings. This is crucial for visibility across your sales channels. Navigate to the publishing section and click on the Manage option. Here you'll see a list of all your sales channels, like online store, point of sale, buy button, and inbox. Make sure that each of these channels is checked if you want the product to be available everywhere. This guarantees that your product is published to all the channels where you want it to be visible. After confirming these selections, don't forget to click on Done to apply these settings. Now that you've reviewed all these aspects, it's time to save your changes. Ensure everything is as you'd like it, then hit the Save button. This is a critical step. Unsaved changes won't reflect on your store. After saving, it's a good idea to refresh your Shopify store page to see the changes in action. Sometimes it may take a little while for everything to update across the site, so if you don't see your product immediately, refresh again in a few moments. Patience is key here, as changes might take a short while to be reflected online. Now you know how to fix common visibility issues with products on your Shopify store. With these steps, you are well equipped to ensure your products display properly, maximizing the opportunity for potential sales. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.